Alright YouTube, if you want a really authentic Rayo spaghetti and meatball dinner, this is the best option. It's pricey, but all you need is the 24-ounce bottle of whatever sauce you want to use, the frozen meatballs, which are pork and beef, and their famous spaghetti from Italy. This is going to cost some money, but it takes a year to get into this restaurant, plus The Sopranos were filmed there, so this place is really famous in New York. Alright YouTube, so to prepare for the meal, there's the frozen meatballs. You get 6. We're going to put these in the microwave for like 8-9 minutes. Like, it usually takes 15 minutes to cook these, but we want to put these in a pot with the sauce. See you at the pot. And this is what the meatballs look like. You can see you get the 6 and you see that rich sauce. And you can make either spaghetti and meatballs or like a meatball parm sub. Alright YouTube, so you take your 24-ounce bottle of sauce, you pour that in there, and the thing you're going to want to do is get your meatballs, and like I said, you get the 6, just slide them in there, and the thing you're going to want to do is put your stove on medium, and put a cover on there, and let this go for a couple minutes. Once it starts to boil, we'll put it down to low. Alright YouTube, so take the cover off, you see the boil. To add some more flavor, take some good olive oil, put a couple teaspoons in there. You can just let it sit, put the stove down to low, cover it, and let this cook for like 30-40 minutes. Occasionally stir it. Alright YouTube, so as our meatballs cook, we have the pasta in here. It's going to take 13 minutes, and then after that we can eat. Because look at the meatballs, look how they came out, and look how simple it is. It only basically takes like 13 or 14 minutes. See you at the plate. Alright YouTube, so we're done with that. Now look at this quality sauce on top of that spaghetti. And like I said, it only takes like 13-14 minutes to cook this. Then top that with 2 meatballs. Look at that hot steam coming off there. And look at that. You got such a great dinner. Alright YouTube, so there it is. Your 14-minute meatball and spaghetti dinner by Rayos. Please subscribe, hit the like, and many more Rayos dinners to come.